Stop scrolling. Ready to write your next story. Like, actually finish it. I'm Your Name. Here we'll type stories live on a vintage typewriter, break down plot, craft characters, and teach tiny writing hacks you can use today. Fast tips, typewriter, ASMR, step-by-step lessons, community challenges. Hit follow, grab your notebook, and let's write something unforgettable. New shorts every week. Write better, faster, bolder. Plus live prompts and Q&A. Join the challenge this week. No fluff, just writing that ships. Turn on the bell. New page, new start. Subscribe at channel name. Write every day. Let's begin. Outline to draft in minutes. Follow for daily story fuel.